Hello guys, hope you guys are well. So today I'm going to be comparing the Colourpop No Filter Concealer with the Makeup Revolution concealer. The Makeup Revolution came up with their new concealer that is rated for £4, and I've done a review of this. I'm going to link it up here. I've also compared the Colourpop with the Maybelline concealer, so yeah, I'm going to link that video up here for you to go check it out. In a battle of the concealer, you know they are both affordable. The Colourpop retail for $6, while in UK if you convert that is about £5 or £4 something. I'm going to leave the price on the video. While the Makeup Revolution retail for £4, in the US I think it's retail for $7. But for me, I've used the two concealer, I know how they feel on my face, but I've not actually like compared them together to actually say, oh, in case you don't live in the US and you've been meaning to get the Colourpop and you don't know if you still want to get it or you should get the Makeup Revolution, if they are the same. So I'm just doing this video for anybody that is interested in this type of video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to say about these two concealer is that they need to come up with in-between shades, because for me I have to mix two colors to highlight. Yeah, I have to mix two colors. I'm looking for that shade that is like LA fun color, that yellow tone highlighting color, like has the golden and best color ever. But the LA is too drying, that's why I don't really use my phone. The shade I use to highlight in the Colourpop is rich tan and deep golden. In the Makeup Revolution I use C12 and I use C13. Colourpop is $6. UK came up with Makeup Revolution, which is £4. Here we go, baby, let's do this. I'm really like hyped to know which one I'm going to like better. On my right hand side, which should be my left hand side on camera if you are watching this, I'm going to apply the Makeup Revolution, while on my left hand side I'm going to apply the Colourpop. Let's talk about the applicator. I actually prefer the Makeup Revolution applicator because it's big, you get more products than the Colourpop. The Colourpop, I'm going to apply this C12. The Makeup Revolution is thicker than the Colourpop. The Colourpop is more like fine, so the Makeup Revolution is thicker. C13. This is the next shade after C12. 13 is just like my skin tone color. So apply this in between. This is giving me this. You understand? This color, these two color is giving me the Colourpop deep golden color. So I think the Colourpop get a plus for this color than the Makeup Revolution. So now I'm going to take my retechnique sponge. Makeup Revolution blend like a dream and the coverage is nice. The affordable makeup brand are not here to play. They are here for our money. Like the Colourpop one blends so nice. The Makeup Revolution, they both look the same. Then I'll use the part applying the foundation to just blend out the harsh line. Blend it out, then set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder quick. Since I don't have a dark shade on the Colourpop because I didn't buy any dark shade, but I have a dark shade on the Makeup Revolution, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution C15. Blend with the retechnique powder blue brush. You can see that contour shade is blending like a dream. That is easy blending, easy life with a £4 concealer. Like my cheekbone is cheeked. what will happen is this: I'll go finish up my face, then I'll come back and give my final thought on the Makeup Revolution concealer and the Colourpop no filter concealer. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished up my face, like I finished up my eyes, I've highlight, I'm glowing, done my lipstick, everything is just cute. Like I look cute. Thought I look cute. The full link to this video of finishing up my face, I'll link it up here. If that makes any sense, yeah, it will be linked up here for you to go check it out. I created the eye look, I finished up my face and all that. So yeah, say my thought on the concealer, the Colourpop and the Makeup Revolution. I actually like the two concealer. I'm not going to lie, these two concealer the two concealer is just so beautiful. They are both similar. Anyone you can get. If you can't get the two, just get one. They both work the same, okay? They both do the same thing. They both set really nice. Their coverage are really nice. Actually, like I would say I prefer the coverage of the Makeup Revolution, but the coverage of the Colourpop is not bad. That is it. They both blend really nice. They are both flawless on the skin. They are both affordable. UK versus US, the two brands did it well. They did it well. So if you're in the US, you can get Colourpop. If you can get the Makeup Revolution, if you're in the UK, you can get Makeup Revolution and forget about shipping and custom of Colourpop. You know, save money. Save money. This is just £4. I've done review of all this concealer before. I've compared the Colourpop and the Maybelline concealer, so I'm going to link that video at the description bar. I'll also link the review of the Makeup Revolution at the description bar. So that's all I have to say about this concealer. Anyone you can get is fine. If you live in the UK, you can get the two if you have the money to pay for shipping from Colourpop, because Colourpop is not in the UK. The Makeup Revolution is in Superdrug, so you can just walk in and get yourself one or two or three. It's £4. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this review and comparison video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.